In this quick World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King tutorial, I will show you how to travel from Thunder Bluff to Silvermoon in this guide. Now, as a WoW player, I have to tell you that to travel by foot this distance is not really the most efficient way. The most efficient way will be if you will find the mage anywhere. You can ask him nicely to spell you a Silvermoon portal, as the mage portal is the fastest way to travel in this game. But if you still want to know how to get from Thunder Bluff to Silvermoon in WoW WOTLK by foot, using zeppelins and some teleportation here and there, well, then you found the perfect tutorial for that. Just prepare yourself, because the raw footage of this initial video was 18 minutes. Even if you see this in about 2 minutes, this is how long it truly took. Alright, so you'll have to get right here in Thunder Bluff, in the Spirit Rise. Here will arrive the Zeppelin to Orgrimmar. And now, if you feel like this Zeppelin will never arrive, you have this feeling for a very good reason, because this Zeppelin from Thunder Bluff to Orgrimmar have no loading screen. You'll actually fly to Orgrimmar, and also you'll have to wait for the Zeppelin to actually fly to Thunder Bluff, alright? So this will take a while. This is the longest waiting period from the entire video. So once the Zeppelin will take you to Orgrimmar, now we have to switch Zeppelins. We have to take another one to Tirisfal Glades, and the Zeppelin from Orgrimmar to Tirisfal Glades to Undercity will arrive in the right side of Orgrimmar. You will have to climb this tower, and also make sure you'll take the right Zeppelin. Don't take the one who's facing the hill, take the one who's facing the opposite direction. This is the Zeppelin which will take you to Undercity. And once you'll arrive in Tirisfal Glades, you must enter Undercity, and now you have to climb these stairs from the right. Inside here you can find an orb, which if you right click it, you will get teleported straight to Silvermoon without any additional headache. Alright, so that's how to get to Silvermoon from Thunder Bluff in WoW WOTLK in WOTLK Classic. I hope this tutorial helps. A comment would be much appreciated, and thanks a lot for watching.